But I'm gonna do it for you tonight. All right. I want you to do this shit not for free. But I'm gonna do it. Shit, I paid for it. I might as well. Listen. I'm rolling down a lonely highway, asking God to please forgive me for messing up the blessing He gave to me. I see everything clearer now. The night is black as it's ever been. Without my girl, I'm a losing, and I pray that He just shed His grace on me. I need, wait a minute. Just to be there with my baby. Feels like I'm holding from my life away. Hey. Just like a child. And I'm so scared. Don't know what to do. And my mama told me that if it's meant to be, she'll come back and she'll forgive me. And the best thing I can do is just to let her go. I don't wanna do it, but if I continue to push, she'll just pull away. And I know that in my heart, it's a reality. I didn't treat her like she wanted to be treated, and I hope that she not gone for good. No. Feels like I've done it for my life. I've done it for my life away. Yeah. Don't know what and I don't know what to do, and I feel like don't know what to do, get right back to truth. I feel like I just walked out of heaven, baby. Yeah. Wait a minute.